everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I'm Namrata and I'm taking interviews of the CEOs and founders of several innovative startups in India. In today's interview, I'll be talking to Mr. Tanmay Goel, a BTech graduate from Manipal University and now the proud founder and CEO of Triumph. Triumph aims to provide the most efficient and user-friendly car cleaning services through an app-based platform. It also reduces the water consumption by 99%. You want to know more about this business? Let's get into the video. Hello, sir. Thank you for joining today. I'm Namrata and I'll be taking your interview. If you could please kindly introduce yourself to the audience.
Okay, thank you so much, Namrata. And myself, Tanmay Goel, and I'm the founder and CEO of Triumph. And we are basically a car cleaning platform and a garage comparison platform. So yeah, you can start. Thank you.
Okay. So how did you come up with the idea of the startup?
So this idea to build the next door car cleaning platform, has been around with me for the past 6 years before, when I entered my graduation as well. So before I left college, to gather around like-minded individuals when I was in my fourth year and during this pandemic. And this company started with a bunch of, innovative and diligent minds from the Manipal University, Jaipur. We came together and, mapped the future of the company on the paper, basically during the pandemic of 2020. So basically, we are a, car cleaning platform, as well as we provide local garage comparisons on our website as well. So what we generally plan to collaborate with various organizations across the country to avail the benefit of our services, which is to get their cars cleaned while they're parked inside the organization on a daily, weekly, or monthly package basis. And definitely spending months on market research and developing a profitable business plan. We officially got registered recently in March 2021, and we are in the pre-launch phase as well. And we are already in talks with many investors as well.
Right. So you are talking about the pandemic situation at hand. So what were the difficulties that you had faced in the initial stages?
So sure. So as I told you that we got registered in March 2021. So we plan to continue with our operations from April or let's say May. But as you know that April we got the second phase of lockdown. So it was the initial difficulty for us, and obviously as now the lockdown is done, we are done with lockdown. So educating customers about why it is important to go, for waterless car cleaning instead of normal car wash, wasting that generally waste 50 to 60 liters of water. Also looking out for vendors, and we generally face difficulties for looking out vendors and corporate clients. That is indeed a big challenge for us.
Okay. Was there an existing market gap that you thought that the product could fill?
Definitely. So in my market research was that we were having a lack of an efficient car cleaning platform, actually, right, which works in the waterless car cleaning domain. But just as anybody else, we were a bit concerned about the environmental issues, and that gave us the moment, right? Because initially we were also planning to have a normal car cleaning platform, but watching the environmental issues, and that's when we realized to act towards our social responsibilities as well, and decided to do something about it. And so that we are proud to say that we came up with a product for car cleaning that uses a special chemical composition to help cut 99% consumption of water by volume. Right. So if someone is using 50 to 60 liters of water in a single car wash, we reduce it just to 175 ml. So we generally cut off the volume by 99%. And we generally hope that this helps us give back to nature and do a bit for our society.
Okay. So if I were a customer at your platform, why should I choose you or your services?
So basically, as I told you that, so basically our business model, I just explain a bit about our business model, what we are offering you guys. So basically, we are not having a B2C services. We are providing B2B services here. When, as you know that in different societies, in different corporates, there's this culture of parking a car inside your organization, right? And what they generally do is there's this unskilled labor who just go into the organization and they charge a bit higher just for a simple cloth mapping, right? So what we are providing is we are just collaborating with those organizations and we are providing their door-to-door waterless car cleaning, particularly for the members of that organization, whether it be it a corporate, whether it be it a society, right? And we are also using the high-end tech involved in the waterless car cleaning services. First of all, this. Second part, we are having we are an app-based company, so definitely all of your services will be tracked, right? And like you can just keep the track of your services on a daily basis. Like you can get a notification when your car cleaning got started, you can get a notification when your car cleaning got ended. So everything is there on our platform, and that is why anyone should choose us over anyone.
Right. So if I were a job applicant at your firm or your startup, why should I work with you?
So as a company, as a startup, we plan to offer a variety, a wide variety of opportunities to a person, and definitely I'm proud to say that definitely our work culture is there. So we at Triumph, follow the principles of flat work culture, where there is less hierarchy, less management. There are no lengthy protocols, and what we mainly focus is to get work done really fast. We are a bunch of open-minded individuals. As you know that I'm also a recent graduate. So we just love to welcome the prospering ideas, whether they come from a top management, maybe a CEO, or just a regular HR guy. Right? So we listen and try to learn from everyone around us. So this is why someone should love to work with us, and we are already having a team of 52 people right now, and they are working flawlessly.
Great. Also, I would like to know from you, like the 3 things that according to you separates you from your competitors.
Definitely, thank you. So first of all, we are providing the bottle-less and hassle-free car cleaning. As you know that, as I mentioned, that we are cutting the volume just by 99%. So definitely we are saving water. Our platform is quite efficient. You can just operate it with your phone or maybe a website, right? And it includes daily tracking of your services, timely tracking of your services, including you get a WhatsApp message, including a mail every time your car gets cleaned. It's up to you that if you want to subscribe to our mail services or not, because it counts in spam as well sometimes. But definitely a WhatsApp message will be there every day. Let's say if someone if a car cleaning gets started for a customer at 7 a.m. so he will definitely receive a message at 7 a.m. as soon as my car cleaner starts the services. So this is why what I feel is these are the three unique things that makes us better from our competitors in the market.
Oh. Also, one interesting question for you is that if you were not doing this startup, what do you see yourself doing?
So maybe a job in some corporate, maybe because I'm just a recent graduate, and definitely, or maybe helping out with my family businesses.
Okay, like you were talking about vendors, in the need of vendors in your startup. So on what parameters do you judge them before taking them on board?
So basically, we are open for we're looking out for the chemical composition vendors as well as the contractors, right? So we generally judge them from the priority, basically how they are prioritizing us, the quality of the product, that timely delivery, and obviously the contractors on the skilled labor on what they are providing or not. So these are the two factors we are just judging our vendors as of now.
All right. So have you planned any short-term goal or long-term goals for the company ahead?
Yeah, basically, as of now, we do have plans for long terms, but not goals, to be honest. So basically, we have prepared a 1-year plan. So basically, our 1-year plan is to cover the city, basically Jaipur we are out of, and alongside we will be continuously working to increase the efficiency of our platform. Right, and further we just plan maybe in next 2 to 3 years we can plan to provide the car rental comparisons, car feature comparisons as well, and we bring around the third party car selling to our platform as well. But definitely we just want to grow in this domain only for next 2 years as of now, and and we are planning to implement the garage comparison as well. That is the unique thing in India. So that is why this is our plan basically.
Okay.
Also, you would agree that when a startup grows and plans to expand, funding is an important part of it. So, if you could just walk me through your funding scenario, like have you previously taken external funds? Are you planning to in the near future?
Definitely. So basically, we are already, in contacts with many of the, let's say, um, we just got officially registered in March 2021, and we are already in contact with many investors as of now, many angel investors, as well as I am particularly focusing on the startup funding schemes that has been operated by the government. And obviously, we are not into the VCs as of now, but as of now we are just focusing on angel investors as well as the startup funding schemes. And obviously, we are fully dedicated towards starting the operations of the company as lockdown is now over. And we, as personally, what my mindset says that I should focus on revenue as of instead of funding more. So I'm pretty much optimistic that we will generate more revenue so that maybe we don't need any funding as well.
Great. Lastly, I would like to know what are your thoughts on Startup Lanes?
It's a really great platform. I actually read a book of Shishir as well, your CEO, right? And it was like 6 months back only when I started. I saw it on Amazon actually, and then I got the invite from your side as well, and I was pretty much excited for that as well. And when I gone through the website of the Startup Lanes, everything is so precise, everything is so great there. And let's say if someone like me, like I belong to a business background, right? So what I feel for an entrepreneur, right? So in entrepreneurship, there are a large pool of companies that are on R&D, research and development. So when it comes to the point that someone from a mindset of research can do a research, can develop a prototype, but don't know how to commercialize it. What I feel is Startup Lanes is definitely providing a platform to commercialize their product. They can help them to build a company. They don't know, like let's say me, I don't know how to register a company, but Startup Lanes can provide the solutions of registering a company to build up a product. They can connect you with investors. They can incubate you somewhere and everything. They're just providing the startup solutions, right? So it's really amazing actually. It's a one-stop solution for all the problems for entrepreneurs.
Well, that will bring an end to this interview today, but it was lovely talking to you. Thank you for taking out time and speaking about your startup in our platform.
Sure. Thank you so much, Namrata. It was great talking to you as well.
Thank you.